Let's talk about 4 vendor credit lines every business should access and that you need to be able to grow your business and grow your business credit at the same time. So in this training, I'm going to talk about 4 of my favorite vendor credit lines that you really should be getting right now. We're going to talk about why you need them, how to get approved, and how you can use them to expedite your business credit building. If you stick around to the end of this training, I'm even going to give you access to free resources that can help you cut years off your business credit building and condense it to only months. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So my first essential business credit line that you want to get is with Uline. I love Uline. Look, if you're just starting to build business credit, Uline is one of, if not the best starter vendors to get going. And here's why. First of all, they report to Dun & Bradstreet, which is one of the most popular and biggest business credit reporting agencies. Plus, it's really easy to get approved. If you set up your business where you built a fundable foundation, which I easily cover in a lot of other additional trainings, then you can easily come in and get approved with Uline right from the beginning, even as a new business, even if you have no other credit reporting on your business credit reports. Plus, Uline sells like 1 million products, and a lot of it is shipping supplies and things that you're going to need in the growth of your business anyways. So you can get a starter vendor account that really helps you ease cash flow to buy the stuff that you need to buy and buy it on credit, and they report that credit to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you establish your initial business credit profile and score. Now, my second essential credit line that you want to get is with WEX. Now, I love WEX because WEX is behind a lot of different kinds of fleet credit cards. Now, look, if you do anything with a vehicle in your business, especially if you're in the transportation side, you're going to love WEX accounts. WEX accounts, first of all, report to multiple reporting agencies. A lot of fuel cards you get report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. Now, this is important because the more payment experiences you have, the faster you can build business credit. The payment experience is the reporting of an account to a reporting agency. So with WEX, you have 3 payment experiences with 1 account. So just by getting 1 fuel card, you oftentimes can build accounts with DNB, Equifax, Experian at the same time, helping you expedite business credit building. Plus, WEX is going to give you an account right from the beginning of building business credit. That's right. You can use WEX as a starter account. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're just starting to build your business credit, WEX oftentimes can require a personal guarantee and a $500 deposit to give you an initial starter account. But if you wait until you have about 5 to 8 payment experiences, WEX will easily approve you for a high limit account without a personal guarantee and credit check. I love that flexibility. I love being able to use them to start building business credit or to use them after you've already had some business credit established to avoid the guarantee and the credit check. And I love the fact that you can use these fuel cards to fuel 1 vehicle or a fleet of vehicles. Just makes it easy to be able to ease cash flow requirements and easier to give you the credit line that you need to be able to build your business. The third essential vendor credit line that you should have is Amazon. Look, there's not a lot of things you can't buy on Amazon, right? Almost any of us entrepreneurs can use Amazon to buy the stuff we need to buy to either launch our business or to continue to grow our business. So what I love about Amazon is one of the initial business credit accounts you can get just as you start building business credit. Now, don't get me wrong. You want to start with accounts like Uline initially and get about 5 payment experiences on your business credit reports. But once you have those 5, you can move right on to apply for an Amazon corporate credit card and oftentimes get approved for 10, 15, 20. We even have clients get $30,000 limits a month to 2 months into the process of building business credit. Imagine that. Imagine just starting and launching a business, getting initial accounts on your business credit reports, and a month or 2 months in, getting a $10,000 to $30,000 credit line with Amazon. And a lot of Amazon's credit lines are available over a net 30 to net 55 timeframe. That means you have 1 to 2 months to pay back the actual credit line you're getting with Amazon. I mean, this makes it perfect for you to launch a business or to be able to get the supplies that you need to be able to grow and scale the business. Plus, Amazon reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So not only are you getting a credit line to buy the stuff you really need to buy to be able to grow your business and easing cash flow requirements because you're able to use the credit with Amazon to fund the business and not reliant on using the cash flow and the money out of your bank account to do so, but you're also building business credit at the same time. This is why Amazon is one of my top essential credit line vendor accounts that you really need to have. My fourth essential credit line may actually surprise you because it's actually through Brex. Now, what's interesting about Brex is Brex has tools that help you easily manage cash flow. Look, it's something that even startup businesses need because when you're starting a business, you don't usually have accounting help from CFOs and controllers and accountants, even bookkeepers at that point. But Brex makes it really easy for you to manage the expenses of the actual business. And it makes it easy for you as you hire employees to keep an eye on them and manage their expenses as well. So not only is it a phenomenal cash management tool, but it also integrates with a lot of core accounting systems that your accountant is going to use in the future anyways, and it helps you build business credit. That's right. Just by getting an account with Brex, you actually get an account that reports to Dun & Bradstreet. They give you the equivalent of like a cash debit account with them, and the more you funded that account, the higher the credit limit appears on your business credit reports. As a matter of fact, this type of account can give you a limit 5 times higher than the average high limit business credit account. Why does that matter? It matters because the highest limits, the highest amount of credit you're being issued that shows on your business credit reports means that future credit issuers are going to give you even higher and higher limits. So if you want to get high limit business credit cards, well then you need to have high limit accounts on your business credit reports, and Brex gives you a shortcut to get this done. So use Brex to actually manage your expenses, to build your business credit, and use all 4 of these essential vendors to be able to expedite your business credit building, ease cash flow requirements, to make it easier for you to get the most amount of money for your business at the absolute best terms. So if you want the shortcut, if you want the secret resources that are going to help you through this process, build business credit quickly, get through all the terrible advice that's out there, and be able to get the most amount of money at the best terms, check out the link in our bio. We have resources that will help you do just that and help you succeed at business credit building, even condense years of business credit building to only months. And by the way, if you got value from this training, make sure you like and subscribe, and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.